Building and nurturing a community is one of the best ways to create brand loyalty, grow with longevity and sustainability, and engage and activate potential partners and prospects. At Creds.xyz, we've just launched our Creator Studio, an opportunity for anybody to start building and issuing credentials to their community members so they can reward, engage, activate, and nurture their community members. This video will show you how to get started. So once you land on studio.creds.xyz, you can start your free trial. So start the free trial and begin by putting in an email address that you want to use for this account. Accept the terms and conditions and begin creating the account. And you'll arrive at the onboarding page. Now on the onboarding page, we've created a visual representation of how a credential will look. So you can go through the process and understand where your logo and your creator name and so forth will fit. So we're going to create a creator here called Ingood. And you can add your website as well, and then also add a relevant logo to this creator. And that logo will appear on all your credentials as you issue and manage those across the studio and the app itself. And then we'll give you opportunity to subscribe to product tips, information and newsletters about our latest updates, and also any promotional emails and events and so forth. So once you've done that, get started and you'll begin the onboarding process. And this just shows how quickly it is to create an on-chain decentralized identifier in a matter of seconds. So right now it's creating the on-chain issuer decentralized identifier that's used to sign all of your verifiable credentials, or creds, once you've actually got started. So our creator profile is ready to go and we're in. Once you're in, you'll be able to build credentials, selecting achievements, endorsements, events, whatever credential that you want to build. Once you've built your credentials, you'll also be able to choose to issue them. And they'll all come up here, both in the issuance page and also your library as well. You'll also notice that at the bottom here, you can choose to get verified. Now, getting verified basically means that as a creator, you've been checked and verified that you're a legitimate, trusted creator, and other people that are engaging with the app will be able to see this. So if you hit get verified, you'll be able to go through the process, and I'll just show you what this will look like on the app. When you get started, you won't be verified, and you see our new creator Ingood just here, and you can see it's faded out and it doesn't have a green tick against its name. Once you are verified, however, you'll be seen with a verification tick next to your name here, and also that will be seen throughout the app. Additionally, when you're not verified, you will not come up on the homepage unless app users, the actual collectors themselves, choose to show unverified creators. So getting verified just basically gives you an opportunity to have more exposure and have more trust in the legitimacy of yourself as a creator. So as I mentioned, to get started, to get verified as a creator, within the studio, just hit get verified and you'll go through a quick verification process and we'll get you verified. We're really excited to see how you decide to use the app to engage, nurture, reward, incentivize your community using verifiable credentials. And if you have any questions, any feedback, please reach out to us and anyone at the Creds team at any point.